Hey, you're looking for a handy solution to do right angle clamping, whether you're building a bookcase or framing or other project? Stay tuned. Hey, Ray Ruthin here. Welcome back to the Woodcrafting Place. Today we are doing a tool review. That's right, it's tool review time. We are going to look at the right angle clamp from WeTool. So this was provided by the manufacturer to take a look and do a review. However, I will be doing a fair and honest review, so you'll get my honest opinion on this one. So with that, let's get right into it. So this is the clamp. You can see first observation compared to the other right angle clamps that I have in my shop, you can see there's a significant difference. Okay, so when you take a quick look at the clamp, you can see that the clamping mechanism is on a pivot, which provides for a nice flexibility. That way it enables you to clamp material of different thicknesses. Nicely adjusts, keeps everything nice and tight. See how nicely that adapted to a different thicknesses of materials. You can also see that it has the ability to open up. Certainly will take a 2x3, gives me a nice solid clamp when I put the wood in there. Good substantial aluminum material, feels nice and strong. I was able to clamp it down nice and tight. You also notice that the frame comes with these slots here. This would be very handy for mounting should you ever want to use the clamp for making permanent fixtures. Alright, so I take a closer look at it, and I can see as I look that the clamp itself is fully disassemblable. All the screws, I've taken this apart already, are machine screws, so that way they go in and out very nicely. As I looked at the bottom, I can see there's plenty of substantial ribs provided so that it's a nice strong rigid clamp. It's got a nice flat surface so that when you clamp it down, if you are going to make a fixture, it clamps down nice and suitable. Material thickness of the clamp measures between 90 and 100 thousandths of an inch thickness aluminum, so not paper thin. So I think that'll do nicely. One area that I could have seen some improvement, I'll mention, there's a good deal of play this way. It's not really bad, not a deal breaker by any means. And I also notice as compared to other right angle clamps, this has a single screw, so it is handy for using one-hand operation. Clamping faces are nice and smooth, prevent scratching or damaging your work material. So let's see how well it does hold wood. Nice tight joint all the way around. So the two things that are important to the clamp are obviously, does it provide the right holding that you need, and of course, will it give you a nice square angle. So we'll take out my precision square here. Okay, as I check the clamp with my precision square, I can see that the square lies nice and flat across the faces, and the 1.5 thousandths shim just clears a little tiny bit of the square in the center of the face on either pad. That way the square sits nice and flat, doesn't rock, and I end up with a nice square clamping result. If you're looking for a good strong clamp that gives you good clamping faces, good reliable clamping for a variety of applications. This is certainly something you should consider. If you need something really small, however, I don't know if this will fit your needs. Hey, thanks for being here today. Really appreciate you spending your time with me. You can look down below in the comments. You'll see the affiliate links. They'll show you where you can get this on Amazon. All those will be down below. And don't forget, if you liked what you saw today, hit that thumb and hit subscribe and the bell, of course. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you again real soon.